Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Supercell account by using Clash of Clans in a very simple way. So let's get started. First, open Clash of Clans on your mobile phone and wait for the game to fully load. Once the game opens, go to the settings icon. Inside settings, you will see that your account is currently disconnected from Supercell ID. Now tap on that disconnected option. A Supercell ID window will appear with two choices. One is to log in if you already have an account, and the second is to create a new Supercell ID. Since we are creating a new one, tap on Create New ID. Now enter your email address carefully. After that, tap on Send Verification Code or Send Email. You will receive a verification code, OTP, in your email inbox. Enter the OTP in the required section, then tap on Submit. After verification, tap on Create Supercell ID. Now you will be asked to enter your in-game name or confirm details. Tap on Continue. Again tap on Continue to confirm everything. After a few seconds, your Supercell ID will be successfully created, and that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.